Hello friends, hello miss. Today I want to show you how to make this. Let's make it. First, prepare the materials and equipments. The materials and equipments are 3 types of plastic bottles, cardboard, ruler, scissors, fake ice, pen or marker, glue, flannels, and that's it. Okay, first cut these 3 types of plastic bottles with different heights. First thing, you should mark the heights of the plastic bottles. Cut it like this, different heights, tall, medium, small, tall, medium, short. Okay, the second is cover these plastic bottles with flannels. Let's cover it. Use these flannels and cover it like this. Like this. So it will be more beautiful. First, measure the height of plastic bottle with the flannels. Just measure it as best as you can. Now like this. And then we cut the flannels and cover it with the bottles. Let's cut it. Now like this, and then cover it. Nah, it looks more beautiful. Cover it with glue. Glue it nicely so that it looks more beautiful than before. Now like this. Do it in the other bottles the same way as before. Nah, after we cover these three types of plastic bottles, we stick them together with glue. Nah, stick them together. Next, cut the cardboard as a placemat. Cut this cardboard. You can cut as what you want. In this video, I will cut it I will cut it like this, so it's the same shape as this. Like this, and then
place this to the placemat.
Then decorate the cardboard with the flannels. Decorate it with flannels. First, you draw the placemat into the flannels and cut the pattern that you have drew on the flannels. Like this. Then stick it with glue to the cardboard. Make sure to stick it nicely and neatly so it looks more beautiful. Like this, and then stick this to the placemat. After that, all done. And just stick it. Done. Like this. All done. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Next, I will make the video about the presentation. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Miss Ayu, Miss Rerwin, and Miss Rizky. Thank you, Miss Ayu, Miss Rizky, and Miss Rerwin for giving me opportunity to stand and presentate my project. I will introduce myself. My name is Yukio Gilbert Lai. I am 12 years old. I am 7th grade. I studied in junior high school SMP Gita Bangsa School. First, I will explain what is environmental pollution and what is global warming. Global warming is a process of increasing the average temperature of the atmosphere, ocean, and land mass. Pollution is the entry of or inclusion of living things, substance, energy, or other components in water or air. Environmental pollution is divided into three, namely land, air, and water pollution. The biggest contribution to global warming is air pollution. Now, I will explain the origin of my project material, what it is made of, how I get it, how do it can reduce the environmental pollution, and how it relates to global warming. The origin of the material is the first plastic bottle from the warehouse in my house. The cardboard is from boxes of used plastic bottles. Decoration and tools from my home. The result of my work are made of plastic bottles, cardboard boxes, and flannel. I get plastic bottles from my results collecting plastic bottles for 4 weeks. I got this cardboard from using plastic bottles from my neighbors. The result of my work are certainly very related to global warming. The point is that by making this work, I have indirectly contributed to reducing the occurrence of global warming and environmental pollution from plastics. There is thin layer in the type of plastic that we commonly use, namely low density polyethylene or LDPE. The layer produces greenhouse gases. The length of LDPE is exposed to sunlight, and the more greenhouse gases. The length LDPE is exposed to sunlight, the more greenhouse gases released. A number of greenhouse gases emit, greenhouse gases released. A number of greenhouse gases emit into the air as the plastics is exposed to sunlight. Polyethylene used in plastic shopping bags and plastic bottles like this. These plastic bottles and shopping bag is the biggest contributor to greenhouse gases and is also the type of plastic that is most widely produced and disposed of in the world. By making this work, I have contributed to reducing environmental pollution and global warming. I made this and I have reduced the number of plastic bottles in the world. By doing this, I have reduced the number of plastic bottles that will be exposed to sunlight, and I have reduced the gas polyethylene derived from plastics that cause global warming. Now I will tell you the relationship of my project with the subject of IPS. So the relationship is when I make this item, indirectly I have changed the use value of the goods. The use value itself is satisfaction of pleasure from consuming an item. The use of value is divided into four, namely the use of value of place, time, ownership, and form. Now, with I making this work, I have changed the use value of the form. From what used to be only cardboard, which only has a use value that is not very useful, it becomes a useful work, like this. There are also exchange rates and use values. Tilapia use is the assumption that this item has value because it can be useful as a fulfillment of needs. Then, use value is divided into two, namely objective use value and subjective use value. Objective use value is the assumption that goods have value because they can be used to fulfill general needs, while subjective value assumes that goods have value because as a fulfillment of individual needs. Exchange value is the assumption that goods have value because they can be exchanged with other goods. The exchange rate is divided into two, namely objective and subjective. Objective exchange rate is the assumption that goods have value because they can be exchanged with other goods in general. Subjective exchange rates are goods that have the ability to be exchanged based on individual size. I also have objective use values become subjective values from what used to be plastic bottle, which has a use value as a water reservoir, becomes a subjective use value because it can only be used for students. Thank you, Miss Ayu, Miss Rarwin, and Mr. Rizky. Sorry for misunderstood word. If there is a beginning, there must be an end. Sorry for misunderstood word that hurt your feeling. Thank you.